What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Smurf cat. This is a Patreon request. So, weirdest thing I've ever seen in my life. I don't know what this. I don't know what this is. It's crazy. Okay, landscape page, pencil or eraser. Hit pause. If I thought Skibidi Toilet was weird, but this is like, what is he? So let's go. Center point here. Come up. And the eye will just be above that halfway. Head is in the top half, okay? So we'll just go up and around. Curve line like that. Tear duct in here. And then the eye comes around like so. So he just has like one little highlight in there. And then it's all colored black in there. So we've got some like wrinkle lines and stuff around the eye. Kind of like these little edges. There. And like an eyelid line on top. And coming down here as well. I might color that black just while I'm here. So then the nose, cat-like nose. So say like we got a human shaped nostril just there. And then it'll go up into here. And this like becomes like a mushroom hat. So there's all these like weird wrinkle lines and stuff, textures. Okay. And then we have a nostril hole here, and you could shade it up, you know, make it dark inside. It's got like some lines on the face and stuff. So this curves around to a little pointy front, goes back. Around to another nostril. So he's in 3/4, so this nostril is like real skinny and small. And then his nose, so this like sticks out for the nose here, comes around and goes up towards that mushroom head on the other side. Right, and there's like all these texture lines at the top of this nose now. Maybe like the bridge of his nose just coming up here. And then maybe we could see a little bit of the nostril sticking out on the other side as well. So quite weird shapes that we're dealing with. This becomes like branches of a tree or something at the top. Okay, so his eye, right, is like in between. So we got like the nose and the cheek. So we've got like this cat-like mouth here, which kind of curves around like this to a big smile. And then we have like a big curving around this way. And then we go around the other side up towards the nose, just in there. There's a bit of a line up his nose here as well. So his other eye is like in here, right? So it's like 3/4 pose. So it's just like in this kind of V area. And then it goes out and around there. And then he's got like little eyelid lines. And this eventually joins his sort of mushroom head. And then we have a whisker pattern there, but I'll just color that other eye do it black. So there's like a bit whiskers sort of thing, right? So like you do it like tigers and so his bottom lip, he's got like a little lip here. And then his chin, real small. Living his best life. And then his jaw just comes out the side, real round sort of head. I don't know if that's an ear or what. So it kind of goes this way, right? And he has what looks like an ear here, but not really sure. It just joins that mushroom there. So the side of his head starts to go up into this sort of vein-like, tree-like situation. Okay. All these sort of little branches and V's and stuff coming all up this way. This has a few wrinkles on it as well. Okay. So mushroom head curving around there, joins this ear part curving around there, and it looks like just a little sort of bell just coming up and around like so. And then it has a little rim, like bumpy textured rim going around. Like so. This will have like a little sort of textures on it, and then we'll do like a few more of those veins and stuff inside here. Okay, so we'll go his neck then. So it kind of comes down this way, and then you have like little neck muscles here. And then this comes down this way, so we get like a chest muscle, a little tiny chest muscle here. The other one goes this way. And then we meet his shoulder. And then the trapezius comes up here. There's a strap that comes across that chest, but we can just see the other shoulder on the other side there. Okay, so his other arm, so we got bicep, tricep, out to the elbow, down to these huge hands. Well, proportionally speaking, it goes down this way. Like a thumb, and then his finger. And the side of the hand here. And then we'll just go these bumpy sort of, and then round topped fingers, real big. And the next one kind of bent around here. And then his little finger going up that way. And then you got like little hand lines and knuckle lines and stuff. I don't know if he has fingernails. So roughly, his little hand goes that way. So front, body and belly here, and then he becomes like mushroom again. Doesn't really seem to have a belly button. He's kind of like tubby. And then his back just goes up this way. And then it's this sort of floral, sort of mushroom sort of stuff coming out this way. Just a zigzag sort of thing. And it has like textures on it. So the other arm, so shoulder done already. So bicep, tricep, just two little curved lines. Then it's forearm, like so. And then we get this like big hand, right? So it goes down this way, around like so. And then this finger, they're kind of like big raindrop fingers at the end. And then this goes up. And then it looks like it goes around for the thumb. Like that, and we should see maybe like some more like hand or finger or something in here. I think he's a thumbnail there. Can't see fingernails, but makes it look more like a hand if you have fingernails anyway. Okay. So legs walking, curving around for his thigh here, front of the thigh, this way, this is hamstring, front of the thigh, knee, there, calf, down to the heel of his shoe, and this all just seems to be like textured mushroom sort of stuff. Shin at the front here. And then this boot sort of comes out this way and then around like that. We can kind of see the bottom like so. And this seems to have layers of this. Textured mushroom stuff. And then hit the other leg on this side. The heel, the back. It's kind of fluffy. This one's like hitting the ground, so we got the knee there. Sort of ankle, shin. And then this foot is sort of bent around. Like so. And then we got like more of those patterns coming around. Okay, So that Snail then I was saying, so he's got like a strap that comes across here. If you draw over anything, you just erase the lines underneath, because you should be doing this with pencil or color over, and then like just some textures on that. And then looks like a shtick coming out here. So this is where the thorn is, I would imagine. So it goes into the snail's head here. Seems to come out the head here. He's got like another antenna just hanging down this way. Kind of gruesome, actually, if you look at it. Then we got the snail's shell. Spiraling like that. Some texture on these. And then our berries, our little blackberry at the back. Is he gonna eat that snail? Is that like what is he? Is he like a little hunter? Is that what's going on? Like so. Okay. But that's it. I think he's got like a little bit hairy, is he? Maybe he's a little bit hairy. Oh, whiskers. Okay, that's it. That's how to draw Smurf cat. Am I right? That's his name. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for the request on Patreon. See you in the next one. Bye.